Hey, hello friends, the claiming process of Zoo Airdrop has started. Now let's see how to do it. Here you can claim only in 3 exchanges and the on-chain option has been launched. The 3 exchanges are Bitgate, Get.io and KuCoin. For your convenience, I am showing you how to claim in Bitgate exchange. You can do it in the same way in the other two. And yes, you don't have to pay any gas fee to claim in those exchanges. Another thing is that if you can claim quickly in Bitgate exchange, you may get additional token. It is limited, so try to do it quickly and before 22nd February. Now, if you don't have Bitgate exchange, then I have given its download link in my Telegram channel. You can go there and install it and open an account and verify KYC. Now to do that, you will need two things, UID and deposit address. For this, you have to go to your Bitgate exchange. Then you have to click here above and copy the address. Then you have to paste it like this. Now go to exchange again and click here on the home page and click on deposit crypto. Then click on the zoo and copy the address. Then go to the Telegram app again and paste the address. Then click on the save and choose option. Now your withdrawal request is complete. You should check the data you type once because there is a reset option here. So if there is a mistake, you will get the opportunity to correct it again. Otherwise, your asset may be lost. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel.